In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a correct answer in Google Forms. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially for educators or anyone who conducts quizzes and needs to automate the grading process. By setting up correct answers, Google Forms can instantly and effortlessly grade quizzes, saving you a significant amount of time. Before we start, ensure you are signed into your Google account to access Google Forms. Once you're set up, head over to Google Forms. You can easily find it using a quick Google search or by navigating through Google Drive. If you're creating a new form, click on the plus sign to start a blank form or choose from a variety of templates. Templates can be useful if you're looking for a structured format to start your quiz. Next, focus on crafting your questions. You have several types to choose from, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs. For this tutorial, let's go with multiple choice, which is one of the most common formats for quizzes. Once you've written your question, go ahead and fill in the options. Remember, being clear and concise with your questions and answers will help avoid any confusion for your respondents. Here comes the part where we add the correct answer. Click on the answer key option at the bottom of a question. This is where you tell Google Forms which option is correct. Click on the correct answer from your list. This step is crucial because it allows Google Forms to automatically tally scores based on the responses you receive. In the same area, you can allocate points for each question. Simply enter how many points a correct answer will earn. Think about the difficulty of the question when deciding on points. A tougher question might be worth double or even triple the points of an easier question. If you're interested in providing additional feedback, you can add it directly through the Add Answer Feedback button. This is particularly useful for educational quizzes, providing explanations to both correct and incorrect responses. It can significantly enhance the learning experience, giving respondents immediate feedback on their performance. Once you're satisfied with your question and answer setup, ensure you revisit your form to see everything is correct. Consider running a test submission to see how the process flows and if the automatic grading is working as expected. This extra step is invaluable in maintaining the integrity and functionality of your quiz. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add a correct answer in Google Forms. This straightforward yet powerful feature will streamline the grading process, giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave any questions or comments you might have below.